In squash situation, you take him out of the badness, but you can't take the badness out of him, dog.
One of the things we don't understand still, seeing you come in a foreign country, I not go specifically say America. Because you could have anyway. You come in a foreign country, you get married, you know what I mean? And you sort out yourself. You know, keep yourself out of problem. Why you have to carry the life from where you used to live to where you're at now?
But you can't take your country out of him. In squash situation, you take him out of the badness, but you can't take the badness out of him, dog. And look at it. Zane, because you see, we have some toxic behavior as a people. And I feel like because this toxic behavior in Jamaica, we intertwine with the music itself, bro. And we glorify the violence and the crime and them something that we make it look glamorous. He man have a weapon in it, bro.
And every song you sing, you mention some man is either them wanted or them man has some dangerous man on the streets. And you see when them go a court, bro, them are going to use them same lyrics there, bro. Nice songs them, and them are going to use against him, bro.
Which is a modified black pistol in the car when they stop him, bro. Also a machine gun, And with those things added to your name, plus all of the speculation them where them have against you.
You left Jamaica, bro, and you come and you try to change your life, and you can't see him blood clot fuck you there do down there.
As me say, you take them out of the badness, but you can't take the badness out of them.
You can't be so talented, you can't be such a great artist, and all you do is come and do stupidness.